Assalamualaikum, hello guys, welcome to EngineerComic, free your imagination. Today we will continue our previous video, where this is the part 3 of my video, and here you are. At first we make the linear pattern command to this oval shape that we made it before in the previous video. You can see the dimension of it, where the distance from the edge to the drawing object, and we make it like this. Yeah, we extra buzz it where the 0.35 for the depth, and we make the rectangle, make the distance and make it to be 27.5 for the distance, and make the dimension of this object. We also make the distance, and here we make the dimension 2 millimeter and make it 2 millimeter also. I mean 3 millimeter. And yeah, we make extra cut extra, so we make the hole like this, make the gap like before, and we also wanted to make the frame of it. Later we will do that. Extra bus, we will extra bus it later. 6 millimeter for the height, and 1 millimeter, 1/4 and we make this line to be straight lines, and we make the bus extra thickness of it 10 millimeter and make it reverse direction. So we got this. And also I wanted to change this with graph command and change the angle of it. Click this and click this, so we got this. We make a bit bend of this object with that we draw, and plane 1 we draw in this plane and make a line like this. Okay, and three millimeter for the height. I mean it is 3.5 and make it 4.75 from the lower, and we make this 17 and make this angle to be 130 degree mass extra. Make 3mm for this. Extra pass, and we draw from here this plane, and we make the rectangle like this, and make the height of it 16.00, and I wanted to make this to 0.75. So we cut extra this like this. Okay, where the depth of it 0.35, and okay, chamfer to be 2 and 0.35. We make this line, center line, we made the rectangle with the center line, and make this dimension to be 3mm, and we make this distance 0.75. Make this the other line, make it 28.25 for the height of it, and make the center line up to this one. Two point 1.5. Make the other line like this. I wanted to make this the frame for the place where you sit when you drive this lower wheel loader, I mean. So you can see this, I make it 10mm, and we make this to be 2.9 millimeters. I mean 7.550. We make this fillet to be radius 3mm, and we connect this one, make the fillet of it. Fillet again. We use 2mm for the fillet, and we also make this in another side of this So we only draw this half of the sign that we make. So we will make the mirror common later. I wanted to make the swap common to make is to be like the road. So guys, here we are. I also make the same thing here. At first I drawing the rectangle like this. I make the dimension of it. I make it to be center line 3 mm for also 3 mm. I'm sorry, I mean 1 times 1.59 for 2 mm. So guys, we make it the same way like before. So this is 16 mm for the height of it, and we draw another line from this, and we make it 7 mm. We make the fillet insert line. We make this line here like this. So you guys, this is we make this 1 mm to be 10 mm to be 3 mm. We make this the 2 mm fillet, and we drawing a circle to make the swap common with the radius 0.16, 1.50. We click this swap common and we click this line. We use this pattern. So this is the, we make it again. We draw a line, center line. We make the dimension. It is to be 1.5 mm. We make this distance. It is to be 0.75. Yeah, okay. We use this to make the strike length up, the vertical strike line, and we make the dimension of it to be 29.25, 28.25, and we will connect this to the previous route that we made, the previous swipe. And how we connect this? why it can to be swapped? What's wrong with this? What we need to make this? So guys, instead we use the circular profile that we make before. We make it from the command, from the circular command that we use, that you see before. You can see that what I can do, how it become like where before it's something error when you make the sweep command, and we draw this to be like a mirror or so guys, this is the end of this part. Like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much for watching.